Our today class is domestic animals.
Oh, I'm Miss Cow. I say ma. I say ma. I'm cow. And what the cow gives us? And is this a wild animal? No. Cow is a domestic animal. So today we will do domestic animals. So let's start. Today our doing domestic animals. Our topic is domestic animals. And these animals don't live in the forest. ये animal forest में they don't live there. Okay, these animals live with the humans. लोगों के साथ रहते हैं. Who is human? Human means लोगों के साथ रहते हैं, हमारे साथ रहते हैं. We are humans. They live with human. Domestic animal lives with humans. And one more thing about that. They helps to humans. In which way they helps to humans? किस तरह से वो humans की help करते हैं? I will tell you today. They are very helpful for the humans. Okay, fine. Let's see. First, we will talk about the horse. Horse, what is the use of horse? Horse is an animal, domestic animal. But हम क्या करते हैं horse से? We do riding. Riding करते हैं when you go to the sometime on the hill station, you go for riding, horse riding. Is that okay? Fine. And one more thing, horse used for carry load. इसके ऊपर जब हमारे पास बहुत सारा सामान होता है तो उसके पीछे हम वी पुट अ बगी देयर, बगी लगा लेते हैं और वी पुट सामान इन दैट, उसके अंदर सामान रख देते हैं. ही पुट कैरी लोड आल्सो. ओके, दिस इज बफेलो. बफेलो भैंस बोलते हैं. भैंस इज कॉल्ड बफेलो. Okay, what the buffalo gives us? Buffalo gives us milk. And buffalo milk is very fatty milk. ये बहुत fatty होता है. And one more animal gives the milk. This cow. Cow also gives us milk. But cow milk is very light milk. So they helps us ना. यदि हमें ये milk नहीं देंगे, from where we get the milk? So these are domestic animals. और milk से what more things we can make with the milk? We can make paneer with the milk. We can make curd with the milk. And all that things are very, very, very important for our body. They gives us protein. And protein is very important for our body, human beings. Okay, fine. What is this? What? But it's not cock. It's a hen. And what the hen gives us? Hen gives us egg. And egg gives us protein. And one more thing hen gives us. Some people eat chicken. वो chicken भी hen से मिलता है. Okay. Now we will talk about more domestic animals. Now we will talk about more domestic animals. We talked about horse riding, buffalo cow gives us milk, get paneer, curd with their milk, and meat and what? White and yes. Now this is goat. Goat is also domestic animal, and goat also gives us milk. Goat भी हमें milk देती है, and goat also gives us meat. कई लोग गोट का मीट भी खाते हैं. That is that गोट का मीट भी खाते हैं हम लोग. Okay. This is donkey. This is donkey. Donkey is the family of horse. For horse जैसा लगता है, but it is little bit short height में होता है. And donkey carry load. डोंकी के ऊपर बहुत सारा सामान लाद के लोग one place to another place they goes. लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाते हैं. From one place to another place. This is called donkey, and donkey says dachu, dachu. How the donkey says? Dachu, dachu. Now what is this white one? It is sheep. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, that sheep is this. And sheep gives us wool. When in the winters you feel very cold, what you wear? You wear sweater. And that sweater made with wool, and wool gives who gives us wool? Sheep gives us wool. Okay, fine. And this is dog. Dog is also pet animal, but it is also domestic animal. You know why? Because dog guards our home. And dog is a very best friend of the human. सबसे अच्छा best friend होता है human का. And dog have very good smell. वो जब एक बार किसी को सूंघ लेता है तो he found out, कहीं पे भी वो आदमी छुप जाता है तो वो फटाफट से उसको रन करके कैच कर लेता है. Okay? Dog is a very best friend of the humans. Now this is pig. What the pig says? Grunt, grunt. What the pig says? Grunt, grunt. Okay. Now, pig का भी लोग मीट खाते हैं. So, ये हमारे काम आता है. Okay, fine. This is camel. Camel has a hump. उसका जो ये हिस्सा है, this called hump, and he has very long neck. And I want to tell you one more thing. Camel क्या करता है अपने stomach में? He store lots water. उसके stomach के अंदर store कर लेता है. And in the desert you can find camel. Camel is also used for riding and for carrying load. Okay, kids? So, today we have done these animals, and what you will do? You will make a mask of any one domestic animal. Like this. I prepared a wild animal mask. This is lion mask. And this is dog mask. And you also prepare one mask and learn about these animals. I will ask the questions. Till then, bye.